We walked into this small spice shop in Nubian Village, and the shopkeeper started telling us the real truth about Egyptian tour guides and life in Egypt.
Now,
Oh my god. Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Because you remember me.
Morning stroll along Nubian Village in Aswan, Egypt.
Red mulberry, lotus. You nak cup ke corn?
the 10. Don't have 20.
Yeah.
10?
It's okay. Makani.
Makan. Makan ice cream.
Ice cream.
Nubian ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream, you know. Real strawberry ice cream.
Dia fruits ah.
Duduk sini lawa.
Perfume. And this perfume.
Oh, this perfume.
Yeah.
This
No.
perfume.
Saffron.
Apple, yeah.
How much? I don't like strong smell. I want so
No.
Oh, okay. Eyeliner.
Al Asmat.
Al Asmat.
Al Asmat.
Uh-huh.
This is good stone for eyeliner.
Good
The
stone.
stone.
Uh-huh.
Stone eyeliner, not chemical. All this stone, but and the color together.
Yeah, all
But
mixed
this,
together. Yeah.
Just stone.
Just stone.
Give it this in here inside, and after if you need it,
Just to apply on
Yeah.
your eyebrow and eyeliner.
yeah,
Like Cleopatra.
like Cleopatra.
Ah, yeah.
How's that? This machine, 100% frost.
But same like Turkish coffee.
Yeah.
Syukran. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Give it water.
Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I ingatkan dia pakai panas. Kan dia bakar.
Thank you so much. Syukran. Alhamdulillah. I pay for the saffron first and the perfume.
Oh, you better. If you don't like, no problem. Because I give it coffee and water, you buy this. Not I say you come me. Not you come me, I say you come me.
Okay, understand. Okay.
Understand that?
Yes.
If you don't like that, no problem.
This first before you give us this. You
Yeah.
understand? It's not that you give us this then we feel obligated to buy the perfume and the saffron.
Okay.
We come here for the saffron and this is you give me. Alhamdulillah, I take it.
Or I don't have. The 10 pound Egyptian paper.
Okay.
The color is the same in 10 euros.
Oh yeah, red color.
Yeah.
Red in color.
The same in
Some
Egyptian.
yeah,
you
some
can't-
foreigners might not notice.
Yeah, you can't change €10 and 10.
Then they will do it very fast.
Yeah.
And then they will bye bye everything. Happy.
Quickly. And just 540 Egyptian pound different.
Yeah. So far, Alhamdulillah, we meet very
All nice people.
honest and nice
But
people.
you can
People
go-
like you. Yes.
Check.
Yeah.
All
Always
time
check.
check.
Always check. Don't take for granted.
Check, just check.
Don't take for granted.
And you can remember, just for this £1, give me your hand, and this £1. Small money.
5 cents.
You can remember me for that one. And that's for you.
What's that?
£1 and
Oh,
£1.
this is half pound. Yes, this like in our
5%
country.
lah,
This like 10
10%.
cent. This is 5 cent lah. Something.
No, just forget because you remember me. And £1.5 for you.
If we have Malaysian ringgit, yesterday she also like give 1 ringgit, our country currency,
Yeah.
to people as souvenir.
Yeah.
But she finished it. We can pass to you. I also don't have anymore. I can pass to like we exchange our currency for you to keep as
Yeah.
memory. Yes.
Yeah. Just only
One bread.
Yeah, something like
£5?
£2.5.
2 pound.
Oh,
Two
murah,
2.5 pound.
No, 2 for £2.5. One
One for maybe one
1.25.
1/4 pound.
1.25.
1 and 1/4. Yeah.
One Egyptian pound, 25. And,
1 and 1/4.
Egypt living cost cheaper
Cheap.
than Malaysia.
oh my God.
Yes.
Cheddar, one piece of cheddar, 5 Egyptian pound.
Oh,
And your cheddar cheese
it's original.
is really original, pure cheese.
Lavashkiri,
Lavashkini, yes?
6 or 5 Egyptian pound.
It's cheap.
For one piece. One bag, 8 pieces.
Yes, one bag 8 piece Singapore dollars, maybe $5.
No, here $1.
Oh, Singapore is $5.
Something, 45 Egyptian pounds. something.
Lavashkini.
Oh my God.
Malaysia expensive, but Singapore more expensive.
Because this your marriage.
Yes.
She is clever. Yeah, she's clever.
Money.
You got it. You got it.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous. Yeah, you can see everything I pay.
Relax.
Go Egypt, I bring her, I pay. She go for free.
You have a time. You have a time. How many time you're living here? Yeah, in Aswan.
Oh, Aswan, today we are leaving. We are driving back to Luxor. Now.
Oh my God.
Now we stop because
You
of
know
the-
why I say you?
Hey.
Because after I finish working, I can give it in my home.
Oh, too bad.
No.
Say my family and my children.
We feel so touched,
And you can eating Egyptian food.
We very sad that we cannot join you.
Because Luxor, Aswan, 4 hours.
4 hours. I know.
Yes, 4 hours.
Luxor, my country.
Oh,
Yeah.
4 hours.
But how many time you go to Luxor? One day.
One day,
You
yes.
go to Wadi al-Muluk, Wadi al-Malikat.
Luxor only,
Yeah,
just to stay one
Luxor,
night.
this
Karnak,
temple.
Karnak.
Hatshepsut.
Yes, Hatshepsut we went, yes.
Yeah.
Valley of the King, Hatshepsut.
Hatshepsut. Wadi al-Muluk, Wadi al-Malikat.
Oh, dia sekali dengan
Oh, yes,
Hatshepsut.
together,
yes,
But
yes,
we
together.
go Hatshepsut only.
Yeah, only Hatshepsut.
Yeah, Hatshepsut.
Because it's so big, so we choose one.
So in Cairo.
So after Luxor, we driving back to Hurghada, and from Hurghada we will go back to Cairo. Go Cairo maybe another 3-4 nights,
Yeah.
and we go back to
Why is a longer time in Cairo?
4
Nice.
days.
Go Alexandra.
Yeah.
Alexander. 7 days already we arrive in Egypt.
Yeah.
Yes, we arrive in Egypt,
Cairo.
Cairo for 2 days. Cairo 2 days, then
Yeah.
we drive to Hurghada 1 day, drive to Luxor 1 more day, drive to Aswan. You saw us that day.
Yeah.
Then we drive to Abu Simbel 1 day.
Yeah.
Yesterday come back to Aswan 1 day.
Yeah.
Today go Luxor again 1 day. Then to go to Hurghada 1 more day. Then go back to Cairo for 4 days. Then we go back.
15 days.
15
you
days.
don't have a guides for all that.
No, we
Drive.
alone.
Yeah, that's good.
We don't want to follow because we want to know the culture of people. We want to
If not,
like
we
talk to
cannot
people
see.
like you.
GPS.
Yes.
Yes, now
Yeah.
modern.
It's very easy. You go to the airport, you can just buy the SIM card.
You know any guide coming here in my work here, give it half
Price.
percent, no, half percent commission, 50%.
Half.
No,
Not 50.
Half money.
So you need to pay them.
$30 for guide.
Yeah, for guide. So the guide Easy money.
Yeah.
Easy money.
Might as
Yeah.
well pay you.
But the guy already get the money from the.
I know, from the company.
Yeah, from the
But-
company.
Yeah.
Too much if it's.
$30.
Many guides,
Too
rich
much.
people,
Yeah.
very rich.
They should earn the money from the commission that they bring to your shop, but it should not be too much.
And
You
people
know,
will
you know,
think,
I give it 50% here,
Mm.
but another people give it 60%. No,
No, 50%,
Here's a guide, very bad people.
If I were them, I will take 20%. 80% goes to you.
I
Okay.
remember-
Yes, I bring to your shop, I get a bit, 20%, alhamdulillah. Yes.
I remember after 1 year old,
Mm.
something like 2% people, Indian people.
Mm.
Indian people don't like spicy because
Their country already have a lot of spices. Yes.
Yeah. I tell the guide, if you don't have a spice, if you have a need spicy for your group,
Mm-hmm.
tell me all this from Indian. I
Oh,
tell
no.
I have a from Indian and I have a from
Yeah.
Nubian.
So the guy is telling
Yeah.
lies to the people.
No, don't like. My group don't like that.
Mm.
I tell I need speak your group. And I speak your group, I get one woman.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. I tell I have a something. I know you have a lot spices in your country, but I have a something.
Yes,
don't have a
yes,
same.
it's different. Yes.
Don't have the same in your country.
It's different and it's special.
Yeah, don't have the same in your country. What is that? What is this? Give it here and come in here.
And you show to them. Mm.
The guy tell me I don't like commission because I know this not buy. But I give it
Mm.
my secret word.
Oh, yes, your work again.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that? Most sedap.
this thing.
It's something like the.
Frankincense.
Oh,
This is Nubian frankincense.
It's-
No, this is mixing and wood.
What is it
sandalwood
used
and
for? What's the use? Is it you burn?
No, this is sandalwood and the
Oh,
mixing
sandalwood.
mini. You look. All this amber and
Amber.
something like this.
Yeah, usually
It's for
this
what?
this type of smell in our country we put in the clothing to smell nice. You see?
Yeah.
Ah.
This in your
Put inside the cupboard
I,
for the clothes.
yeah. No,
sandalwood.
you can give it this in the water.
Oh, put water.
After 12 hours, you can spray in your home.
Oh,
You can give it this in the carbon.
Yes, in the car
And
also.
machine, electric machine, something like this. This woman gave it 100 gram. How much for 100 gram? I give it high price. Very high price because I
The guy,
don't like this guy.
oh.
And she's buy.
She still buy it because
Buy.
she love it.
Yeah. And after finishing my work,
But
the guy gave it here. Where my commission? I don't have any commission for you.
yeah, good, very clever.
Yeah.
very clever.
Why you need commission? You tell me all this from India. Now
Yes,
you need
correct.
commission.
Yeah, you want commission, you must talk nicely to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you must be kind. The guy Muslim?
Muslim.
Ah, Muslim. But Muslim and Muslim, why are they doing this to you?
Because
yeah.
this bad
Yeah.
man
Not all Muslim
Yeah.
come in here and give it anything very very expensive. After all day, Mubarak $1 6 Egyptian pound. 6 Egyptian
Okay.
pound. After 7 days, 48 $1. And I love Turkish people. I love Malik Farouk, the king, old
king.
king in Egypt here. 1 Egyptian pound, $5.
Fine, okay, yeah. So Egyptian pound was very strong last time.
Pound,
Yes.
You know the England, big country. Malik Farouk give it money in.
Yes.
England.
Because the England borrow money from Malik Farouk.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
You go to Saudi, you have a money.
Oh,
You have a money.
no good.
Ask money.
Yeah.
So when you borrow money from other country, you are also indebted to other countries. So other countries tell you to do bad things, you just follow.
Yeah.
You are just like a slave to the country.
But take care. You're very.